Imagine waking up one day in 2025 to find that Bitcoin is no longer just a digital asset, but the backbone of a new financial world order. What if I told you that the events unfolding right now are setting the stage for something monumental, something no one is fully prepared for? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into how Bitcoin could shock the world in ways most of us never expected. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Bitcoin, the world's first and most dominant cryptocurrency. While the buzz around Bitcoin has come and gone over the years, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for this revolutionary technology. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast, a skeptic, or someone just curious about the future of money, this video is packed with insights that will keep you glued to your screen. From price predictions to geopolitical impacts and game-changing innovations, we'll cover it all. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos on Bitcoin, finance, and technology. To understand why 2025 could be the year Bitcoin shocks the world, we need to revisit why it was created. Back in 2009, Bitcoin emerged in response to the global financial crisis. Its creator, the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, envisioned a decentralized, trustless system that could operate without banks or governments. Bitcoin was more than just a digital currency, it was a challenge to traditional finance. Fast forward to today, Bitcoin has grown into a $500 billion asset class, recognized by institutions and retail investors alike. But its true potential as a tool for financial sovereignty and a hedge against economic instability is still largely untapped. Why? Because the world isn't ready yet, but that's about to change. Let's paint the backdrop for 2025. As we move into the mid-2020s, global economies are grappling with several challenges: inflation and currency devaluation. Central banks worldwide are printing money at unprecedented rates. This is eroding the value of fiat currencies, making Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins more appealing. Geopolitical tensions. Countries are exploring alternatives to the US dollar as the global reserve currency. Could Bitcoin fill this role? Technological adoption. Blockchain technology is becoming mainstream, and Bitcoin, as its flagship application, stands to benefit immensely. The stage is set for Bitcoin to step into the spotlight in ways we've never seen before. Major trends driving Bitcoin's rise in 2025. Institutional adoption. Major financial institutions, tech companies, and even governments are warming up to Bitcoin. By 2025, we could see Bitcoin ETFs become mainstream, enabling easier access for investors. Companies might also start holding Bitcoin on their balance sheets as a hedge against inflation. Retail FOMO, fear of missing out. As Bitcoin crosses new all-time highs, more everyday investors will jump in, driving demand to unprecedented levels. Social media and global awareness will amplify this trend. Global regulatory clarity. In 2025, clearer regulations will likely reduce uncertainty around Bitcoin, paving the way for mass adoption. The halving effect. Bitcoin's next halving in 2024 will reduce the mining reward, limiting new supply. Historically, halvings have been followed by explosive price growth. Could 2025 be the year Bitcoin reaches $200,000 or more? Layer 2 solutions. Technologies like the Lightning Network are making Bitcoin faster and cheaper to use for everyday transactions. This could transform Bitcoin from a store of value into a true medium of exchange. Bitcoin's impact on society and economy. Bitcoin's rise isn't just about making money, it's about reshaping the world. Here are some transformative possibilities for 2025. Banking the unbanked. With just a smartphone and an internet connection, anyone can participate in the Bitcoin economy, especially in regions with limited access to traditional banking. Decentralized finance. DeFi. Bitcoin could serve as the backbone for DeFi, providing access to loans, savings, and investments without intermediaries. Challenging authoritarian regimes. Bitcoin empowers people in countries with oppressive governments, allowing them to escape currency controls and censorship. New business models. Imagine microtransactions for content, decentralized crowdfunding, or tokenized assets. Bitcoin could unlock countless opportunities, potential risks, and challenges. No discussion of Bitcoin would be complete without addressing the risks. Regulatory crackdowns. While some governments embrace Bitcoin, others could ban or heavily regulate it. Technological risks. Quantum computing and other advances could pose a threat to Bitcoin's cryptographic security. Environmental concerns. Bitcoin mining consumes significant energy, sparking debates about its sustainability. Market volatility. Bitcoin's price can swing wildly, which may deter some investors. These risks are real, but Bitcoin's community and developers are actively working to address them. Predictions for 2025. So, what can we expect for Bitcoin in 2025? Price predictions. Analysts are divided, but many predict Bitcoin could reach anywhere from $150,000 to $500,000 per coin. Global adoption. More than 1 billion people could be using Bitcoin by 2025, either as an investment or a currency. Financial system integration. Bitcoin could become a key component of global finance, influencing everything from trade to savings. The year 2025 could be a turning point for Bitcoin and the world. Whether you're invested or simply curious, the best thing you can do is stay informed. Bitcoin has already changed lives, and its next chapter could be even more transformative. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, what are your predictions for Bitcoin in 2025? And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.